Alright guys, welcome back to my What to Do channel. Today, it's not really a tutorial, kind of a mechanic service tip. We're working on a Kubota LF5030 and the rear valve hydraulic coupler. I just wanted to show you something that I had struggled with before. So here's the machine here. Alright, and on some tractors, they can be a little bit different, like the Bobcat and some other models, but you would typically put your hose in and it would click in, and then you would have to pull back on something on the coupler and then pull the hose out. This one here, when you take your hose and you stick it in, just push like that until it clicks in, and then when you try to take it out on other models, you'll be pushing in and trying to figure out how to get it out. Well, on the Kubotas, all you really got to do is just give it a little jiggle and pull it straight out, just like that. That's it. So you push it in until it clicks, and then to get it out, you just pull it straight out, just like that. Not gonna lie, I struggled with that one for a little bit, so I wanted to do a tutorial on it. But that's how you remove the hose and put the hose in on the Kubota Tractor. See you guys next time.